प्रसाद स्कीमीच्या अंडर आम्ही आज मीटिंग घेतली अलॉंग विथ आमचे फादर आणि सगळे ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ द चर्च अलॉंग विथ डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंटल ऑफिशियल्स. प्रसाद स्कीम वॉज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड की ताज्या अंडर सगळे कॉम्पोनंट जे ओल्ड गोवा चर्चीक जाय किपींग इन माइंड मॉन्युमेंट एंड द हेरिटेज. lot of things were required in terms of infrastructure support, in terms of mobility, in terms of information counter, in terms of toilets, many things which are required to complement this structure. Goincho Sahib Mantagar, Sagre, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, come together. And we need to be ready in the eventuality of any of these type of numbers which are increasing. आज पहिले जाल्यार पोस्ट कोविड लॉट ऑफ नंबर्स हॅव इन्क्रीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पिरिच्युअलिटी सेक्टर. ओल्ड गोवा डेली नंबर्स येता जाल्यार पहिले तांकां सपोर्टूय जाय पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर 2019 जी संकल्पना प्रसाद स्किमीच्या अंडर घेतिल्ली. आफ्टर दीस गव्हर्मेंट अंडर Dr. Pramod Sawant coming in, we have personally pursued at ASI, NME and all the central commissions, taking this opportunity to thank our Union Minister Mr. Kishan Reddy ji and our Dr. Pramod Sawant for continuous support, for which we have been able to get all permissions right. आज हेतू आशिल्लो की all stakeholders who are related, all departments which are related, and आमचे फादरांकडे उलोवन to present them what has been there, to the ideas they had given. They have given certain suggestions that which we would like to again want to discuss along with the consultants. एकदा ते झाले, the important is 2024 the world will be coming here for exposition. And exposition येता असताना numbers, the world which will come here should get the right message of not falling anywhere short. So we as a pillar to support are here to be there along with the church to support them whatever in terms of infrastructure, mobility, connectivity is required. आणि ते सगळे प्रेझेंट केला. तांचे भितरूय डेलिब्रेशन जातले. अगेन आमचो लोकल आमदार बाब राजेश फळदेसाय ऑल्सो विल बी टॉकिंग टू देम. Myself and Bab Ganesh, chairman, is already been supporting this whole thing to move fast along with the chief minister. आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याचो हेतू आशिल्लो की जे कितें जाय 2024च्या पयलीं जावचें म्हणून. आज पयली मिटींग घेतली, तांकां प्रेझेंट केला. आमची टीम अलॉंग विथ द फादर्स विल सीट अगेन and get into detailing mode. आणि एकदा तातूंतल्यान जालें की we'll think about a way forward. So basically a review of the scheme under Prashad, for which Old Goa was suggested, the monument site, the heritage site, and the Goiche Saibaji were suggested, has moved ahead is good news, and we need to take it ahead. So we are ready in all terms to give the best of the feeling for a pilgrim who will come here for exposition, and otherwise as a tourist who will come here to seek blessings of Goincho Sahib. So आज आम्ही आयले ती एक रिव्ह्यू घेतला. पुढे परत एखादी रिव्ह्यू जातलो. बाब राजेश फळदेसाय local MLA is actively involved along with us to ensure that the due follow-ups are done with the church authorities.